Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are comparing two of the LG's most popular ultra-wide monitors, the LG 39GS95QE and the LG 34GS95QE. So if you are deciding between these two, I'm here to help you figure out which one is better option for you. So if you want to check any of these, then you can also follow the link that is given in the description so that you could get the best deals on any of the monitors that you choose with LG. So without further delay, let's dive in. First, let's talk about the display and the size. So the LG 39GS95QE comes with 39 inches of display, whereas the second one comes with the 34 inches. Both are ultra wide monitors, so you will get that extra screen space for multitasking or gaming. However, the larger 39-inch model gives you even more room to work with. Second, we have the resolution and the picture quality. So both the models offer the 1440p resolution, ensuring the sharp and the clear visuals. The Nano IPS panel technology on both monitors delivers vibrant colors and wide viewing angles, making them great for creative, professional, and gamers alike. However, with the 39GS95QA is bigger, you may notice slightly less pixel density as compared to the 34GS95QA. Now, if we talk about the refresh rate, so both the monitors features a 144 Hz of refresh rate, which ensures smooth gameplay, especially for the fast-paced games. So they also support the G-Sync and FreeSync, which help eliminate the screen tearing and stuttering. So in terms of gaming performance, both are nearly identical. So whether you choose the 31 4-inch or the 39-inch, you will enjoy it very well. Now we have the connectivity. So both the models are pretty similar when it comes to the ports. So you get two HDMI ports, one display port, a USB-C and USB hub. Now if we talk about the pricing, so the LG 39GS95QE is generally more expensive than the 34GS95QE, and that's mainly because of the larger size. So if you are on a budget, you are okay with the slightly smaller screen. The LG 34GS95QE gives you almost the same features and performance for less money. So in the end, I can only say that you can go for the LG 39GS95QE. So which one should you buy? Do let me know that in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching.